Okay, now the aspirated consonants. If you keep in mind that I and J is the same letter, right? So in different languages you will either have the J sound like an I or the I have a J. Anyways, U, and if you remember that this is the sound for the E, to make it aspirated you just add this element here, and this happens for other letters too. So it's the E with this element. That's the J, the JH. Another one where we see this is the DH. So you have the D, which was this, and then you add that same element. So this plus that, you just attach it here, and you get this. This is the D. And on that note, the BH is also similar. This was the B, right? Or if you just think of it like this, or if you just think of it however you want to think of it, and then you add this element, and this is just the connection to the line, so you can get rid of that. So you have sort of like this, then you add this element, and you get the BH. And this is square here and not round, because the round is already used for the TH, which we'll see next. The TH, remember the T is this, and then we add again this element. Okay, so here's the T. This is again the connection to the line. So we don't have a line there, so we don't need that connection. And then we just add this element, and it looks like this. Sort of like a 2 rounded here. And you can think of this as belonging to the T, and this is, and the rest as being this element. Now the G, remember the H is like this, and if you put it on its side, right, it would be something like this. And the G, you just overlay the G here, and this is sort of how the G is written when it's handwritten. So that's the H and the G. The G was this. You add these two with this guy flipped, and you have the G. So this is the GH sound. So G, and there's the DY, the DY together, and it's just a D and a Y, our Y put together. So D, and then you do a Y, and then you connect it to the line, and this is D. And there's the CH, sort of CH, the ch, the strong ch, and remember the ch was like this. This is the ch with the h. It was like this, right? We remove this, and it's basically a stronger version of this, so it's basically two of these, and if you put them together and then connect it to the line on top, sort of in a fancy way, this is sort of what the ch looks like. So it's basically two of these guys. The K, the KH sound, we just removed this guy here, which is sort of covering this side, and we just put it on the other side, so it sort of covers the other side and leave the other element there. So if you bring them together, it looks like this. And that's the KH, ka. And the S, the S, you can make it into sh by taking this line here and wrapping it back around here. So we take this line, and it's almost as if it had fallen from here. It was originally, say, a loop, and the loop undid itself. So if you do that, right, you just imagine that this bit, so this is the sh, this bit was originally here, not here, making the, and the P we already saw, the P plus our H written over it, right? You write the H over it, and you get the P, the PH sound. And that's it for now.